Hi, boys and girls. I have a special treat for you guys today. I have a special helper. As you know, this is my daughter Gianna,
Hi.
and I was going to read you a story, and then we came up with a better idea. Gianna's going to be our guest reader, and she's going to read us a story that some of you may have heard before, and it's called If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. And since we're talking about cause and effect, or the reason things happen and why they happen, and what happens, then this book is full of causes and effects, things that happen because of something else. So I'm going to let her take over, and I hope you enjoy her reading. Okay, Gianna, it's all you.
Okay. If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Lauren Joffe
Numeroff.
Illustrated by Felicia Bond.
Felicia Bond. I know, names can be tricky.
If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's gonna ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. When he finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks in the mirror, he might notice his ears need a trim. So he probably asks for a pair of nail scissors. When he finishes grooming himself, giving himself a trim, he will want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He may get carried away and sweep the room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You will have to fix him up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He will crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited he wants to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So he'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are if he asks for a glass of milk, he's gonna want a cookie to go with it.
Oh no. And then it's going to start all over. That's how it all started, right?
Mm-hmm.
He had a cookie because you gave him a cookie. Right? That was the cause. What was the effect? He wanted milk. Then he had his milk, which caused what effect? He had to look in the mirror to make sure he didn't have a milk mustache. And that caused the next effect. Then he realized he needed a groom and he needed scissors. It went on and on and on and on and on. I like that book. Do you like that book?
Yep.
I think you did an excellent job. I think my boys and girls will think so too. Okay, bye.
Bye.